Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Daljeet here, and today I'm gonna share another video about how to use face rollers and its benefits. Face rollers are a very ancient way to do massage on your face, and the face rollers are quite safe to use. Anyone can use it. So let's now talk about the benefits of using the face rollers. So whenever you're using some kind of a tool on your face, you are just basically doing a good massage in an upward and an outer motion. So that really helps to get a good blood circulation on your face, and it really helps to reduce the fine lines on your face, under your under eye area, and it really helps to de-stress and relax your muscles on your face area. So whenever you're using any face roller, either it's a jade or either any other stone or a rose quartz, so you are basically doing a good massage on your face with that. So that really helps to eliminate the toxins also from your face, and it really give that natural glow. Your skin glows naturally, and it really helps to drain our lymphatic nodes on our face also. So let's learn how to use it. So whenever you are using any roller, so first you need to keep it very nicely clean. Just you can keep it in the fridge also, so it will get more cooler and give you a very cooling effect on your skin. First I have washed it with the cold water. Now it's very cold, and you have to use the bigger size of the stone on your whole face and the smaller size of this stone under your small areas like your under eye area and on your nose. So first I'm gonna start it with my face, then I'm gonna move it to my neck. So just keep in mind, whenever you're using, you have to use it with some oil on your face. So your face needs to be slippery, so it should not, you have to put in pressure, more pressure on your face, because if it's dry, you are putting unnecessary pressure, which is not good for your skin. So you need to be very delicate and very soft and with your skin. So you have to love actually your skin. So I'm taking this Peroni oil, and this is a face oil. So I'm just gonna put 2 drops on my face, and now I'm gonna nicely pat it all over my face. I have a very dry skin, so I'm using this dry oil from Peroni, and it's really very nice because I'm using it from quite long, so almost 2-3 weeks. You can see from close, I put this oil on my face. I've just nicely spread it all over, and now I'm gonna use the roller. So I'm using the bigger size, and first I'm gonna start with my jawline. So how you have to just take it like this. Whatever motion you are doing, you have to do it either 3 to 4, maximum 5 times, not more than that. But ideally you should do it 3 to 4 times. Same way we are gonna do outer side in an upward motion. 2 and 3. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Just be gentle with your skin. Don't put too much pressure, and don't repeat it for too many times. Now I'm gonna use it on my forehead. I have to start it from the middle. Upward. I prefer to do it after taking a bath. because it really helps my dry skin. And now from the smaller side, I'm going to use it on my first under eye area. So here we have our lymphatic nodes, and it really helps to drain that with very soft hand, because as eye area, under eye area is very delicate skin, so you need to be very gentle. And after under eye area, you can do it on the top of your eyes 3 times very gently. I've been using it from past 2 weeks, and it's really helping me to distress my face. And I'm using it on my nose towards the end, and now I'm gonna use it my eyebrows. It's not at all difficult. You can use it, even you can carry it with you when you are traveling. It's very easy to carry. Two, 3, 3. Now I'm gonna move to the neck. So same, I'm gonna do it with the neck. I'm gonna use it in the upward motion.
You can buy it from Nika, Sephora and Huda Beauty. So wherever you feel comfortable, I'm just going to post the link in my description for the same.
Again. Now you have to do it on the outer side from even I prefer to use it on my shoulders, and it really helps me. So after using it, always keep it clean and nicely wash it with the cold water before keeping it for the next time and before using it for the next time. So I hope you like this video, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and ring a bell button so you'll not miss any of my videos. And thank you for watching my video.